Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taj and I'm a paycheck budgeter documenting my financial journey here on YouTube. If you are returning, welcome back, beautiful budgeter. In today's video, I am going to be showing you what I ordered off of Temu. All right, so if you are interested in seeing what I got, then stick around and keep on watching.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got...
All right, welcome back. All right, y'all. So I have been a little skeptical about the whole Temu thing, and I decided to kind of jump out there and order off of Temu. So this is actually my second time ordering off of Temu, but let me tell you what stroked the urge for this one. Okay, so I was watching a video from Seriously Saving, and she showed this trifold journal or planner, and y'all, I couldn't stop thinking about that planner, okay, or that journal, should I call it. I couldn't stop thinking about it. It was so cute, and it looked like it was good quality, and she said that it was really nice. So I went searching for that doggone journal planner, and I found it, and I bought 2 of them. So I have a plan for these, but I wanted to go ahead and show y'all. Now I did open the package, but that's all I did was rip the bag open, but I haven't really like went in and looked at it. So I don't know if it's, I don't know the good quality. I just know from her video it looked like it was good quality, but I loved it. I even told her in the comments, like, girl, I'm listening to your video, I'm following. But, my mind keep going back to that folder you showed earlier in the video. So she said where she got it from, and I went searching, and I found it. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And so I got 2 of them. I got a blue and I got a green. Oh, this look good. All right, so if you don't know, my favorite color is black and blue. And then I started loving the color green, y'all. I've been on this green kick like ain't no other, okay? So, yeah. I'm excited, but I'm scared. It all through the plastic, it feels like it's good quality. But let's go ahead and jump into it. And Seriously Saving, if you're watching, this is because of you, my girl. Now, mind you, okay, I bought this before January started. So, I had heard and bought it before the new year. Because I knew for the new year I was going to try not to spend. It's just not coming in. Oh, this is nice. So, it's supposed to be a trifold. The feeling of it is really thick. Got a little dent right there, but I guess it's probably from just it traveling and stuff. Let me pull that off. All right, so it is a trifold, and okay. I like. So this is how it look, y'all. Ain't that pretty? Ooh, it's got the gold. And it has a pocket here, and then you can do like your cards. It has the pin loop. And it came with this stuff, y'all. Like, I'm literally just opening this up. But look how pretty this is. It say notes, y'all. And I think she got the green when she showed the green. But this is cute. So this is like a little dashboard. I like. Undated business notebook A5, and it has name and then motto, address, email. So girl, all right, so it has, that's strange. Let me see. Oh, so I guess that's what they mean by undated. So you have January, February, March, April. You have all the months and then the days, the dates, and then you go in and put the month, like the letter of where, like for instance, January 1st started on whatever day it started on. That's what you will start that on. Okay, so it's kind of like an at a glance calendar. And then important festivals, and it's in a whole nother language, girl. Chinese, probably. I don't even know. Yeah, girl, we don't know about that. Weights and measurements and conversions, girl, we don't know what they see. Girl, we don't know what they see. So I'm probably gonna remove these 2 pages. I'm probably gonna remove all 3. All right, and then I guess 2025. January, February, March, April, May, June. So all the way to the 31st. I don't even know what I would use that for. Yearly schedule. I don't think I need none of these. Contacts. Yeah, I ain't gonna need these. I ain't gonna need them. So it just comes with a bunch of note paper, lined note paper. And then at the back, you have some dotted sheets. This is nice. Oh, and then it's got graph paper. So you got line, dots, graph, and you have some plain. Okay. And then you have a pocket back here. So what y'all think? I like this. This is cute, and it's the trifold. Okay, let's look at the green. Let's look at the green. It's like this little army green. We like. This is the one that I saw on her video. So we'll pull that off the hardware. And this one is on there. All right, so we have green. Let's open it up and see what it looked like on the inside. Green on it. Outside, clean on it. I don't know why I acted excited, because I actually saw this one on her thing, but I forgot. I knew it was cute, but I forgot. Y'all, that is pretty. Like, it was cute on her video, but it's even cute in person. And it's the same thing. So I might keep this page. I don't know. But the rest of this, I don't need that. But it's the same thing. So you get your line paper, your dotted, your graph, and some plain notes. Yes, I like that. All right. This is cute. Thank you, Seriously Saving. You caused me to get on Temu and spend some money. Oh, this is cute. So I ordered the blue, and I ordered the... They had orange too, y'all. You know that orange probably would have... I should have got the orange too. Girl, look, don't be surprised if you see another one come through here, because this is cute. Okay, this is cute. Trying to show them both at the same time. I'll try like that. I don't know. Okay, but whatever. Girl, this is cute. It's cute. All right, y'all. So here's my thing. This is why I bought them. Because I know y'all like... I know you ain't just buy it just because it was cute and you liked it on somebody's channel. I got this because... one, I am a journaler. And I'm always just journaling and stuff. But what I'll do is I'll start journaling in one book. And then I'll just start journaling on that. And so I have journals everywhere. But I wanted something that I was... Like, I didn't have what they call it, planner piece. I didn't have journal piece when it came down to my personal mental journal. I didn't have journal piece. And baby, I got journal piece. All right, so that's the first one. So one of them, I don't know which one yet, but one of them is going to be my personal journal. The second one I'm using for brain dump. So I have my personal planner. I have a business journal and I have a budget journal. But with me reading that book, the 12-week year, it also, and watching the Organized Money, I feel like one of the reasons for my anxiety is a lot of times I just have a whole bunch of stuff in my head. Well, at least it feels like a whole bunch of stuff. But whenever I write them down, that's why I'm a list maker. But when I write them down, I look at it and I'm like, oh, that's not even really a lot. But in my head, it just feels like so much, and it causes anxiety, and that leads to depression. So my plan and assignment, via my therapist, but is to start emptying those thoughts, emptying things out, allowing myself to kind of make room, or not let stuff just stay stuck in my head and overwhelm me. A lot of times it doesn't even need any type of revisiting. It's just stuff that I need to get out. It may be things that need to be revisited, or it may be a lot of times I find often that I forget a lot. And a lot of times it's because I just have so much on my mind, so much on my plate, that journaling and writing things down, I get upset with myself. Y'all, this is me opening up. I get upset with myself when I'm trying to do something, or I'm thinking about something, and my mind, for instance, I'll be let's say I'm doing laundry, and I put some clothes in the washer, put something in the dryer. I'm headed to my room to, I don't know, make up my bed. Walk into my room, I notice something, I'll stop and do that on the way. And then I'll forget about what I'm going in the room to do, or I'll end up doing 3 or 4 things on the way to the room, and nothing really gets finished because I done did so much. Sometimes I could be washing dishes and I'll think of something, and if I don't write it down right then and there, when I do go to sit down and be like, let me write that thought down, I literally forgot, and I get really, really, really upset with myself, y'all. Like, I'm not going to even lie. I'm not going to hold you. I get upset with myself. And I'm hard on myself about that. So my plan is to start, I wanted a brain dump journal, where something that was big enough, because I write big enough to be able to accommodate how I write, but small enough to where I could carry with me if I wanted to. Because if I'm out and about, or if I'm traveling or whatever, and I decide that I want to write down I want to brain dump, then that's what I'm going to use this for. Sometimes I may have to go back to this. It could be a list. It could be something that I want to add to my actual daily personal planner. It could be this has no limit, no rules, no nothing. That's what the other one is for, a brain dump. But and then one is going to be for, like I say, my personal journal, mental health journal. So y'all, I'm excited. I like it. I love the quality. Like, it's so, like, it's like, yeah, I like it. It's like really thick and hard and sturdy, but it's so pretty. Y'all, can we just take a moment and look how pretty this is? get into it. All right, y'all. That's it for this video. I just wanted to do this little unboxing, y'all. If you like this video, if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you could be notified each and every time your girl upload. And y'all, I'm going to drink the rest of my wine. If you didn't know, I'm a wine girl. Bye.